Every week, I come across Shopify stores doing hundreds of thousands of dollars per month. They all have clean branding, custom product pages, and premium themes, the kind of stores most people assume took months to build. But here's the thing, those stores have already done the hard work. They've tested what converts, optimized their layouts, and refined every part of the customer experience. So instead of starting from a blank page, why not learn from what's already working? In this video, we're gonna use Zik Analytics to find a real Shopify store generating over $500,000 a month, validate that it's actually performing, and then use Claude to recreate the entire thing, from the theme and product page to the copy and custom Shopify sections. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to use AI to build a premium Shopify store in just a few minutes, so you can focus on what actually matters: testing products and making sales. So without wasting any time, let's get right into it. All right, so I just found the Shopify store right here, Autoline. They're selling these red light skin masks like you can see right here. And this brand's actually doing around $500,000 a month with this. Now, the first thing you notice is this is a very clean, well-branded website. It's definitely set up for conversions. So this is their homepage right here. Let's go ahead and take a look at their actual product page. So right away, you can notice that they have 3 different products to choose from. They have this simple mask right here for $200, this advanced one right here for $350, or this little simple one for $160. So here's their entry-level product, here's the one they probably focus on the most, and here's their high-ticket version. So I'm gonna focus on this middle one right here because this is probably the one that generates the most amount of sales for them. So very simple product page. They have a ton of high-quality branded content showing the actual mask, different people using it, and exactly what kind of benefits they're gonna get from buying this. Then we keep scrolling down. They have more information about this mask right here, some before and afters, what it does, high quality GIFs showing the product in action. You have an unboxing right here, the different benefits, the different products they offer, and all of the reviews down here at the bottom of the page. This is a very clean, well-branded website. I can definitely see why they're doing $500,000 a month with this. So here's how I actually found this product. I'm gonna log into Zik. I'm gonna go over here on the Product Explorer tool, and then you guys can actually look up winning products using all of these filters right here. I'm gonna go ahead and leave all of this alone for now. All that I'm interested in is stores that are doing a high amount of revenue right now. So I'll go on revenue right here, and for minimum, I'm gonna type in $100,000. For our sales date range, we're gonna leave this alone at 30 days, leave everything else blank, and go ahead and click search. So right here is giving you a list of all these different Shopify products that are at least doing $100,000 a month right now. And here's the exact same one that we're talking about right here. This one specifically is doing around $200,000 a month, but they still have those other 2 products on their website that are doing significantly more. So we can click on this icon right here to take a closer look at this store. So once again, we're taking a look at the brand Autoline. They have over $490,000 in revenue over the last 30 days. Their average order value is over $300. They have 3 different products and over 1,500 sales. And you guys can see they're active on TikTok, YouTube, as well as Instagram. That's how they're doing all of their marketing right now. So if we scroll down, you guys can see their sales chart right here. They're doing between $9,000 and $20,000 with this every single day. And you guys can see how their traffic ranks compared to other competitor stores right here, as well as their actual store engagement. So most people stay on their store for an average of 50 seconds, visit around 2 pages, and they actually have a very high conversion rate of 25%. That's almost unheard of. Now, their top countries with this product right here, they're selling in the Spain market, the US, Poland, Germany, as well as Sweden. Those are their top 5 markets right here. And you guys can see their 2 winning products down here. They don't even have that simple one that we saw on their website. So between these 2 red light masks right here, this brand's doing around $500,000 a month with this. This is definitely a really good product and a really good store to copy. Now you guys can move to their Ads By tool and type in the name of the product that you want to look up, and we can see the exact ways that these other brands are promoting this. We can see our target demographic, the exact kind of people they're calling out. So right here, it looks like middle-aged women. Those are the exact kind of customers that we want to focus on with this. And this is something you always want to keep in mind when we go to build out our website, write all of our copy, come up with our ads. You always want to have a specific customer avatar in mind so you always know who you're talking to. But now that we have all of this figured out, let's go ahead and actually build the store. So go ahead and download Claude if you don't have an account already. Then at the very top, go ahead and click on Customize. Scroll all the way down to where it says Connectors down here, and you're gonna see the list of apps that you already have connected to Claude. Go ahead and click on Add, click Browse Connectors, type in Shopify right here, and go ahead and find their official Claude connector. You're just gonna click on the plus, sign in using your Shopify account, and everything is paired and connected for you. You're ready to go now. So now Claude is paired directly to your Shopify account. It can help you build product pages, themes, add new products, analyze your data, anything. So I wanna go ahead and recreate this entire product page right here so we can go ahead and sell the same product ourselves. I'm gonna start by zooming out a little bit right here. So that way we can capture this whole hero section. And I'm just gonna take a screenshot of all of this. And I'm gonna do this the whole way down the page. So make sure you capture each and every section. Now, one more thing, we're only capturing the desktop view here. Most of your customers are actually gonna be on their phone. So we need to capture the mobile view as well. Go ahead and right click on here, click inspect. Then right up here at the top where it says toggle device toolbar, click on that. And it's gonna show you the mobile view now as well. So go through and screenshot everything in the mobile view now too. We just wanna make sure that we capture everything to do with this page. So going back to Claude, you'll just go ahead and paste in all the screenshots that we just took off that other website and then tell it exactly what you're looking for. So I'm basically saying I wanna copy this entire brand's product page. Go ahead and redesign the entire thing for me with my own branding instead. That way I can upload this into Shopify as a brand new page template. So I'll enter that and we'll see exactly what it comes up with. So while we're waiting for Claude to do all of that, go ahead and log into your Shopify account. If you don't yet have a Shopify account, you can actually use the link I have for you guys down below to get started completely for free. So that way you can build your entire website, get ready to start making sales, and then it's only $1 a month right after that. So inside your Shopify admin, go ahead and click on online store down here. Now find the theme that you're already using for your store, click on these 3 bars right here and click duplicate. I always recommend duplicating your theme before you make any changes to the code. That way, if you make any mistakes along the way, you can always go right back to where you started. So once you have the copy of the theme that you want to use, let's go back to Claude. All right, so here's the final design that Claude came up with, and this looks amazing already. So it's a clean, professional, well-branded website. Here's the hero section right here. I don't like this cartoon image of the mask right here, so I would definitely clean this up a little bit. Like you guys can paste any product images in a Claude that you want it to change. So I definitely fixed this hero section right here. I don't like that cartoon mask, but I do like all the social proof underneath it. And then we got more actual features and benefits of what's in it for the customer, what this mask actually does. So here's one of those sliders where you can actually drag to see the before and after. I really like this. So you're gonna wanna go ahead and upload a before picture and an after picture right there. Here's another cartoon image. This one just looks a little bit creepy. So I would definitely change all of these images so far. And you can just upload images that you take right from your supplier, or you can go ahead and generate everything using an image generator like ChatGPT. So it talks about how this product actually works right here. 2-year warranty, 60-day returns, money back guarantee. Then it's got all the reviews down here at the bottom, an FAQ section, and another call to action. This is a really strong product page. Besides the couple product images that I didn't like, I don't think I'd change anything here. Like this looks so good already. All right, so to actually add this new product page to your Shopify store, go back to Shopify, then right here under themes, go ahead and find that copy of the theme that we just created. Click on these 3 dots right here, and let's click edit code. Then right here in the code editor, go ahead and find sections, click on that, click add new section. You're gonna go ahead and call this one the name of your product, -product page.liquid. So type that in. It's gonna go ahead and open up this new section that we just created right here. So go ahead and paste in all the product page code that Claude gave you. Click save. So now that we have the new section made, we need to go ahead and create an actual page template. So click on templates down here. Same thing, we're gonna add a new template. Go ahead and call this one product.whatever your product is.json. Click enter, and it's gonna open up all the text for our new template right here. Go ahead and select all of this. Go ahead and paste in the code that Claude gave you for this page as well. Click save. Then once you have all of that code typed in and saved, let's go back to our copy right here and publish this new copy of our theme. So it's gonna publish the new theme that we just added all the custom code to. Now, if you go back into Shopify and click on products over here on the left-hand side, click on the product that you actually want to change the product page on. Then scroll down to the bottom right here where it says theme template. Instead of default product, go ahead and click on the new product page template that we just created. Click save. And now that custom product page is applied directly to this product right here. So if we go back up to the top, we can click preview right here and take a look at how everything looks. Now you need to go ahead and actually upload these hero images to your Shopify account. That way everything can link up right. But if we keep scrolling down here, this is a really good looking product page. We need to go ahead and add some product images, adjust our pricing, but overall, this is something that we could start running tonight. So now that we have a custom product page made, let's go ahead and create the rest of our theme. So I'll go back into Claude and I'll say, now that the product page is complete, please make a full theme file that matches the entire store's brand aesthetics. And now we're gonna let Claude come up with the entire theme code for us so we can paste it back into Shopify and have a full website that's ready to launch today. So now that it's coming up with our entire theme for us, this is gonna take a little bit longer. So I'll get back to you guys as soon as it's done. And just like that, it's gonna create the entire theme package for you right here. So you can just download it right from Claude, plug it into your own Shopify store just like this. And now our entire website is fully customized to our new brand. Look how good this looks. Came up with an entirely new homepage, about us page, contact us section, and everything is well branded to that Redlux mask that we're promoting right here. Now, typically something like this would take weeks of work. You'd have to hire freelancers and coders and designers and spend tens of thousands of dollars on a custom website. But now, all you need is a $20 a month Claude subscription and it can build unlimited websites and product pages for you. So go ahead and publish your new theme to your store and you guys are ready to launch ads tonight. So now all you have left to do is come up with your own branded product images using an AI tool like ChatGPT or something, upload them all into Claude, have it fix your theme, and you guys are ready to go. It's literally never been easier than this. We went from nothing to a fully branded premium Shopify store in just a few minutes. No agencies, no coders, no freelancers, no designers, just us and our AI tool Claude. So go ahead and try this out for any new product you want to sell, and let me know how this works for you. So that's the entire process of building an AI dropshipping brand from scratch. You guys can literally do this to copy any store out there. And it's still crazy to me that within a few years, AI went from helping you find subject lines or coming up with a brand name to literally building and running everything for you. So if you guys want to do this exact same thing yourself, I'll leave everything I just used linked down below for you. But you'll also find a ton of extra resources down there, like my free course to help you get started. Don't miss out on any of those. And if you found any value in this video, be sure to leave a like, share it with others, and subscribe for more. And thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in the next one.